The Coke dispenser consists of two simple gear and rack mechanisms connected by some gears and driven by a motor. When dispensing the first Coke, which is the one in the bottom obviously, the bottom gear and rack mechanism releases it, while the top Coke gets locked in place by the second gear and rack mechanism. Then the machine auto-reloads by unlocking the top Coke and letting it fall down onto the bottom gear and rack mechanism. If you insert 50 cents now, it will get dispensed too. It's actually fairly simple, but it required tons of effort because of the bad play of the gears and twisting of the axles. The coin rejection is kind of the same in every machine. It's basically just two rails with a light sensor. Coins smaller than 50 cents fall through the hole while 50 cents slide over the rails and get detected.